So we just open where we can insert the wires and set up the connections for the AC. What I just removed now is the cable clamp. That is just used to hold the cable. It doesn't have any other function than that. It's just used to hold the cable in place so it doesn't shift, or it doesn't drag out of its position when you actually set it up. Now that point where I'm passing the wire through is where the wire will always pass through in most air conditions that uses this same process to pass wires. Understand? This is how we pass through the wire. So with this now, I'm able to set the whole system up. I'm able to set the whole system up with this cable installation process. Understand? This cable installation process is always very critical. You just have to know what you are doing. I have taken my time to explain this in other my video. If you want to know how the cable are being connected, just go down to my videos. You see things like that, and I've actually explained it. You see a termination like the neutral termination, they call it the N. It is being identified by N. The positive termination, it is being identified by L. And if it is inverter, you will see something like C or CS, or you see an S, understand, on a particular terminal. You must connect up that terminal. Then the last terminal we have to put into consideration, most important, is the earthing, understand. The earthing also needs to follow up. So everything is being set up here, and we are very good to go to let up everything on the go. To let up everything on the go, I just discovered that the terminal is not firmly connected, so I have to make sure that the termination is proper and it is firmly done, so to avoid any arc or breakdown while operating. So I just have to do this very efficient. So that has been done. So now the next step now is to go and install my indoor hanger. Your indoor hanger must be properly installed. Understand what I mean? Properly installed, you must use a plumb to plumb it up, and you must also use either a drill machine to set the holes and drill it to correct plumbing. And also, if you don't have a drill, you can use your hammer and your nail, understand, to do that. It is being done through several processes. You can also use a punch to do the same work, and it will really serve you perfect.